girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, ooh Lord, smile for me, Jamaica.
I'm Lane.
And I'm Samantha.
And we're both on this wonderful tour, 4,500 feet of adventures. Having a wonderful time. Right now we are at Newcastle, and it's a beautiful environment and loving it. Awesome experience. Very cool, nice day for a great adventure.
On the evening season, but she tell me say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me I beg you do for me. And I say, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Aluel National Park. Advest Cape.
I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh my, that she asks me, and this I want me say. A sweet, sweet Chronixx, you forget them, give them. The one drop beat pan a rhythm. Are you give them bob with a different step in? Are you give them bolt, nobody can run left him, boy. But see ya, they must see things say you're out of ideas. You give them art and sweet literature. You gonna make the world see the better picture. I said no worry yourself, mama. Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Hey, I said no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me I beg you do. And I said smile, yeah, smile, boy. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said smile, girl, smile, wah, 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 wah. For me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, whoa. For me, Jamaica. And I said smile, boy. I met a girl this morning.
And we're on another 5,000 feet of adventure Advest Cape tour, and I'm here with Samantha, and Samantha is here on vacation. So Samantha, how are you enjoying your tour so far?
It's nice, it's beautiful. I'm getting to see another side of Jamaica. I live in Mona, but I've never been over the hills past Papine, so really enjoying myself. Thank you so much for making this possible.
I'm Stephanie, and I'm on Advest Cape, 5,000 feet of adventure tour.
And I said smile, girl, smile, ooh Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile, smile for me, smile for me, boy. I'm in a shade. Push up the lighters. Whoa, whoa. Push up the lighters. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air? Lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, like a whistle, heart clean like a little whistle.
We're here.
Hey, me and my brother done good. Me never grudge Teflon. Family me deal with me bun, yes man. In a interview them ask enough question. Them want know where me born and where me come from. Tell them De La Vega same time. They saw me born right on the train line. 10.5 so Chronixx a game time. And if a bread and a half, me say me we share mine with them. Share it like a good news, call me love me family like a cook food. Late in the hours of night we cook food. Every plate of it full up of rice and good stew. Hey, let me see some lighter. From your nose say you feel alright. I miss a love defeat all evil. That song you have to clean out people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in?
Wow, it was a ride and a half, but trust me, it worth the effort, it worth the view. Wonderful, beautiful. I don't know how I make it back down the hill, but I know this is an experience and a half. Thanks.
You know, I say it's so refreshing to get away from the hustle and bustle of Kingston and to find yourself in a place like this where nature is so unspoiled. It is so I just, not that I live up there, but this is just somewhere to get away to. Right? Really, lovely. Getting up here was not so easy, mind you. But having arrived, you know, all I can say is that it was well worth it. And I will treasure the memories of this trip here in my mind for a long time to go. A million thanks, Advescape.
A wonderful place to live and to raise your children.
Nothing like God.
Clean like a whistle, clean like a whistle, clean like a little whistle. Clean like a whistle, clean.
Yeah, so we're here at Starlight Chalet and we just had lunch. That was tasty. We had dessert and other things, right? So right now we're going to have games room and play some games. We have pool, we have table tennis, we have some other things. So we're going to be here for a little while. So we're going to play some games and drink there a little bit. So come and join us, right?
Yes, I bless up all of the clean out people in the world. The ones with the dirty heart too. We still believe in you. We still have faith in you. Yes, Boy, Chronics. Big up all them real high school friend them. Hey, don't say a word. Sparks. We ain't not say a word neither. Loving it to me, loving it to me, yeah. Why, oh, why, oh, why, why, listen, me no daughter. Listen, baby, listen. I know you're tired of the stress and the strain and the city life. Come make we drink jelly water. Yes, I darling.
So what do you name, my brethren?
Chris
Dennis. Chris Dennis?
Yeah.
Alright, so how long you have a bicycle here?
I'm not really feeling, I just get a ride.
Okay.
2 days now, so I make you side, you know?
Okay. What the era name over there now?
Whether you're there, Rick Yale, heading to Spring Hill.
Heading to Spring Hill?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, we have one more question.
So long got fish done?
Fish done, yeah. We're up on the right track?
You what?
What this now?
Me not sure if I
and I don't know if I ill or valid, but I beg you come chill with Chronics tonight. Why, oh, why, oh, why, why, oh, why. I said if you put down the book them, yes girl, yes girl. Exam done from last week and me sure say you pass.
Wow, and it has been a journey here from Starlight Chalet onto the river. We reach one place named Fish Done. I'm at say right now we reach and everybody happy. It has been a journey that's been about an hour from Starlight Chalet. But the water looks nice, as you can see. Right now we have a beautiful waterfall behind us, and right now I am about to go in, I'm going to tell you say the fun not done. Afterwards, we'll hear what persons have to say, how they enjoy the tour and get their views. So right now we're going to the water, right? So let's go.
Girl, but I wanna take you somewhere tonight, Lord. Because me see it in your eye, me say me see it in your eyes. I say you're tired of the 9 to 5. Plus the boss boy have you in a overdrive. But me say that fireman you like your vibe. So make me take you to the forest figure sightsee. Chilling at the beach with you beside me. A paparazzi ask if you want me wifey. Where you are go tell them me girl, Whoa. And I don't know where you wanna go, but I'm willing to take you there.
So I tell you about the river with name Fish Done. Reach and going night and it's mad. And right now we're going to the local lifeguard. I'm going to tell you about it because it's mad. I'm going to show you some pictures at the river, but believe me, the river sick. So, brother, what's your name again? Michael. So Michael, tell you about the river.
Well, the river here starts from way up to my phone. The first community. Pure water. Right here, so 15 feet deep. Tourists 7 days a week. Do both bicycle today. So we go on and show people how to do it.
So people just come by and see more, them come bubble up at more time.
Yeah man, you come bubble up at more sometime after 15 minutes.
So you're like a local tour guide, lifeguard.
Yeah man.
Alright, cool. So they say you can just pop up on any day and most likely you will have a pop up on.
Yeah, a couple more guys there too.
Alright, so let's tell everybody Fish Done. You have any idea why the name Fish Done?
Yeah, cause as you can see the rock high, so all the fish come and stop.
They can't jam it. Go back up. They can reach down it done.
No up there.
No up there.
No.
Alright, brother. Thanks for what you done now, say. The address be a tour and we'll come back to that again. So take a picture.
That's alright.
I got to give the most high praise. From me see the lid them on both eyes raised. Breathing the breath of life, so I pray to still I see I for watch over those like we. Yeah. Smile with the rising sun. The creation me never hiding from. No negativity up in a high kingdom. Mama Africa, your child to come.
I'm such a rise me out of my bed. I mean, go river and go wash my dread. Me alright, alright.
No.
I'm such a sunrise, wake me up this morning, and I can hear Mama Africa calling. Alright, alright. I tell you me alright, yeah.
What a sweet summer day. Mother Earth, you I a free from a day. Me choose some carrot and beet and eat a jelly. Then dipping at the river cause me feel figure big.
I wash off the crosses off of me. Sweet life King Selassie off of me. Never be ungrateful, no people go sleep and they never wake up. But Jaja rise me out of my bed. I mean, go river and go wash my dread. Me alright, alright. I'm a say Jaja sunrise, wake me up this morning, and I can hear Mama Africa calling. Alright, alright. I tell you me alright, yeah.
Breeze a blow and my vibes just a build. Anytime I see the sunlight I climb up the hill. Now I'm no work so a time for me chill.
We're here at Fish Done Falls, where we're at the end of the Adventscape 5,000 Feet of Adventure Tour. It's August 30th, 2014. And we're about to get some views from the persons who were on today's tour, just to hear their opinion on what they think the tour was, how they think the tour was, and how they enjoyed it or did not enjoy it. So
it was good though.
See?
Yeah, it was good. Just wonderful experience and now the driving. Only I hate was the driving. The road is not my favorite thing. Just the what was scary. It was good. Very scary.
But you enjoyed the tour?
Very much. Yeah, it was good.
Even when you didn't run the water?
No foot touch it. It was good. I'd come back again. Yeah.
So you're coming on the tour?
Yeah, we're planning to.
Yeah. So, how was the tour?
It was alright. It was good. tasting Newcastle was good. The view and built up stuff and Starlight.
Chalet, yeah?
Chalet, and food was good. Dinner was good and stuff, and then came here. Although took a very long while. We never really know where we reach and stuff. But we came here and as most people see, it could be good, but never there anymore. But it was alright.
Tell me how the tour was that. What do you think?
Wow, it's a great experience. It's nice. It's a river, beautiful. Looking about the tour, it's a serious atmosphere.
So what you got to say to somebody else who wants somebody?
I would advise them to come through, man. The experience good, new, fresh, resilient. In Jamaica, beautiful, so good to come out and see our see the world, you see.
It was great. I had a good time. Even though I didn't go in the river, all the sea, nothing. Very nice. The long bus ride was worth it. I had a good time.
So let's just say somebody is contemplating to come on one of our tours. How would you say that?
It's all worth it. The all-inclusive, the travel, the tour, the pictures, everything is all worth it.
Alright, thanks much. So you need to go and tell your friends, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and then. So we have to say thanks to all the persons who came out today and supported us. This could not have been possible without you. Remember to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Escape, and you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at AlexCrush, that's AlexKrus88, and you can follow the cameraman JJ Crush from the Crush Yard family, JJKRUSH8. Yes, so your third done at Escape Tour has completed the 5,000 feet of adventure tour August 30th, 2014, and we said it was fun. You heard all testimonials. Look for the next one. Next month we got Ochi. Just watch out.
Listen, me no daughter. Listen, baby, listen. I know you're tired of the stress and the strain and the city life. Come make we drink jelly water. Yes, I. Darling, make we make another escape from the hustle and the bustle tonight. And I don't know where you wanna go, but I'm willing to take you there. Girl, just be who you wanna be. Once you're with me, baby, I've no fear. So much beautiful things to see.